Good afternoon students, welcome back to our class. Yesterday we did with the molecular basis of muscle contractions. Today we will go with the chemical basis. Chemical basis of muscle contractions. We all know that we have done many more things related to the chemical decomposition. Whenever we are studying about the biology or its techniques, bio is always and always associated with the chemicals. That is either in the form of enzyme, either in the form of neurotransmitters, either in the forms of what? The ligaments or the acetylcholine. Whatsoever it has to be done. So today we have to go for the muscle contractions. How do we know that muscle contracts? If it is a striped muscles, voluntary muscles, it will be totally directed by the nervous system. Nervous systems are commanded by the synapse phases, that is acetylcholine is participating over there. So let's see what's the command is. When the muscles of the quadriceps femoris group contract, they extend to the knee, strengthening the G. So this is known as quadriceps femoris. It is liable for the knee joint straightening. Okay, then next we have to go for the another part. The bones of the human skeletal move. Skeletal muscles contract and relax mechanically to move the body. Messages from the nervous system cause these muscles contractions. The whole process is called the muscle contracts and it is summarized into 3 steps. The first one is a message travel from nervous system to the muscular system. Triggering chemical reactions. When we were learning about the nervous system, what was that? It was having the synapse phases and there was the acetylcholine which was connecting both the synapses together. Now number 2, the chemical reactions lead to the muscle fibers. The chemical reactions leads to the muscle fibers. What were the muscle fibers? All you are now known, that is myosin and actin. Muscle fibers reorganizing themselves in a way that shorten the muscle contraction. Means what? When it is a sudden requirement, what will happen? It is not going to the nervous system, it is not going to the brain, but it is connecting somewhere to the spinal and the linkage. So what happens? It makes the speed shorten, it makes the visualization shorten and get it done particularly. Number 3, when the nervous system signals is no longer present, the chemical process reverses. And the muscle fibers rearrange again and the muscle relaxes. muscle gets relaxed. Means what? When there is no signal, no chemical opposition, what happens? The muscle is now free. The actin and myosins are now free of the tedious task and it gets relaxed. Means contraction is gone. Now it is in the favor of relaxation. So get it noted, children. I will give you the notes through the WhatsApp. Till then you get it done like this. Okay, done? Now, muscle contraction begins when the nervous system generates a signal. Means, when I was teaching you axon, this was the signals given to that signal. The signal is an impulse called an action potential. Signals are in the form of impulses and this is noted as action potential. Action potential travels through a type of nerve cell called the motor neuron. When we were reading about the three types of nerve cells, sensory, interneuron and the motor. So this impulse is sending the messages to whom? That is the motor which has to travel. These are the motor ones which are signaling from one place to the other. The neuromuscular junction is name of a place where the motor neuron reaches to the muscle cell. Skeletal muscle tissue is composed of cells called muscle fibers. So skeletal muscles composed of muscle fibers and these muscle fibers were actin and myosin. Composed of muscle fibers. When the nervous system signal reaches the neuromuscular junction, a chemical message is released by the motor neuron and that message is known as acetylcholine. This is only the chemical which was just if we will go for a neuron structure, what will happen? This is the junction. Now, another dendrite was getting mixed through it and this is the synapse, the phase where these both were meeting and the chemical released is the acetylcholine. This you have to remember forever, ever and ever. Most important thing that these signals, they are joining somewhere. That only is known as the acetylcholine. The chemical messages a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine binds to a receptor on or outside the muscle fiber. This starts the muscle fibers to get in action. A multi-step molecular process when the muscle fiber begins with acetylcholine binds to the receptors on the muscle fiber membrane. The proteins inside the muscle fibers are organized into long chains that can interact with each other. So what was these all associated with? That is the protein. Why protein is known as the building blocks of the cells? Because it is only having the totipotency. Totipotency मतलब टूटने के बाद फिर से अपने आप से बन जाना. Having the ability to re-establish again. That is why it is known as totipotent. The protein inside the muscle fibers are organized into a long chains that can interact with each other. I told you the chain type structure it is having. Reorganizing and sorting and relaxing. When acetylcholine reaches receptors on the membrane of muscle fibers, membrane channels open and the process that contract a relaxed muscle fiber begins. Now how it happens? These allow the sodium ions. These are participating the prior most for the one. The sodium influx also sends a messages to the muscle fiber to trigger the release of stored calcium ion. Now this is sending the message to the muscle fiber. And through which what is it is getting? Calcium ion associated with it. The calcium ions diffuses into a muscle fiber. The relationship between the chains of proteins within the muscle cells, changes leading to the contraction. Now, the third point, muscle fibers relax when the nervous system signals is were present. Come to the third point. We have discussed three features. The third point is, when there is no nervous signals, what will happen to the cells? When the stimulation of the nerve fiber, neuron providing impulses, stops, the chemical reaction that causes the rearrangement of the muscle fibers protein is stopped. So, this reverses the chemical process and the muscle fibers relaxes. So, this was our chemical basis of muscle contraction. I will provide you the notes through the WhatsApp. Get it done by yourself. Thank you.